How to delete battery usage history on iPhone. On your iPhone, tap on settings. Scroll up until you get to the battery app, tap on it. Here you have access to all the activities on your phone and how the battery is being used. Tap on view all to see all other activities on your iPhone. Now tap back here, tap again until you get to the main settings option. Scroll and tap on general. Then scroll to the base of this page until you see transfer and reset iPhone. Now here you have three options: reset, erase all content and settings, then transfer to Android. Tap on erase all content and settings. Just wait a few seconds for this page to come up. Now here is what you're going to do. This process is going to remove every data on your device. Erasing will send out of your Apple account and remove your personal data. So this iPhone can be safely traded in or given away. The following item will be safely removed from this iPhone: all the apps on your device, the data, then your Apple account, then Find My and eSIM. So doing this, guys, be able to wipe away battery history on your iPhone. Tap on the continue button and follow the on-screen process, but keep in mind that you're going to wipe everything on your iPhone. So that's all, guys. If you enjoyed what I've explained in this video, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.